Hello guys, welcome back. Here is Lucas Goulart from LG Painting, and today I will show you how to hang wallpaper. So, the first step, you need to know how many centimeters this wallpaper have. So, you get your measure tape and measure. This one have 52 centimeters. So you know already that your wallpaper have 52 centimeters, right? You will need a step and go there. You will start here, right? So 52 centimeters. So now we will get this plumb ball and make a straight line in this wall to make sure that our wallpaper goes straight in all this wall. After you make little marks on your wall, you will get a level and make a straight line here. So we are doing this straight line to make sure that our wallpaper will be straight. Once you do the first one straight, the others will be straight. The wall is 2/3 meters high, so we need 2/3 meters of wallpaper, right? How you will cut the wallpaper? You need select a part, choose a part that will repeat. If you look here and here is the same and there is the same. So your wallpaper always will repeat and repeat and repeat again. I did select this figure here and I will cut 2/3 and I will leave here 5 centimeters just to make sure I don't will cut wrong. So we need to mix the glue, right? This glue is a really good one. You get your glue, put a little bit there, water, and start to mix. So you mix the glue with water and you can see it's getting thick like. So now we need to talk really low because I have a baby sleeping there. I think it's 2 months baby, little baby and good. We need a roll with glue and put this glue on the wallpaper. We put glue on wall as well for make more easy to work with the wallpaper. If you put glue just on the wallpaper will be hard. If you put on the wall and on the wallpaper will be more soft to work with the wallpaper, right? I am hanging the wallpaper. You need to follow the line that you did before. Look the line. Follow your line and you will be grand. You get a smoother and pass in our wallpaper to make sure that don't will have bubbles. So you will get your scissors and cut around the socket, right? For make a smooth finish. Need to be careful these edges. You need to do it slowly and take your time, you know, because we don't want waste paper, right? So do it slowly, take your time, and you will do properly. So to you cut your wallpaper, you need hold a smoother for you don't rip your wallpaper, right? You can use this simple blade, you find like €2, and for you don't mess the floor, you always do it with the wallpaper, right? So you don't use sticky wallpaper on the floor. Now we will repeat the process whole way around. So we will use this little guy here to make the edge between the wallpaper smooth. Thanks guys for watching my video. Like my video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you.